Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Paneer Tikka, which is a popular Indian appetizer. Paneer, as we know, is Indian cottage cheese, and Paneer Tikka is this dish where small pieces of paneer, onions and capsicum are marinated in yogurt and spices and then grilled until it gets that lightly charred look and smoky flavor. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for marination and the other ingredients. Preparation. Preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Method. Add all the ingredients to a large mixing bowl. That's the Greek yogurt, ginger and garlic paste, green coriander, gram flour, rice flour, dried fenugreek leaves, Kashmiri Chilli Powder, black pepper powder, salt, Garam Masala Powder, Turmeric Powder, Coriander seed powder, Cumin seed powder, Chaat masala powder, oil, and lastly the lemon juice. Mix well to combine. Add in the mint sauce and mix. Add in the paneer, onion petals and the capsicum chunks. Mix. Mix well to coat. Then cover with cling film and refrigerate for 1 hour, or the longer the better. Now line a baking tray with aluminium foil. Place a wire rack over it and brush the wire rack with oil. When the marinating is done, remove from the fridge and insert the paneer, onion and pepper on a skewer, alternating between them. Then place the loaded skewer on the wire rack. Repeat the previous process and load the other skewers in a similar manner. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes at the temperature shown. The alternate option is you can also cook these on a griddle pan or on the barbecue. Then remove from the oven and brush the tops with butter or ghee. Turn the skewers over. And again brush the tops with butter and ghee. Now grill for 4 to 5 minutes until it's cooked through and lightly charred. As mentioned, you can also cook this on a griddle or on a barbecue. Lastly, garnish with chaat masala and chopped green coriander and serve with coriander and mint chutney, fresh salad and lemon slices. So there you have it, delicious looking paneer tikka. So thank you for stopping by. Give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other paneer recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the link on your screen right now and watch another video.